Welcome to the solutions video for 6.04 number 3. This is also our last Khan Academy homework for the year. So, the theater director offered every member of the drama one vote for which play they preferred to perform. The director found that 35% offered or voted for The Addams Family, 57% voted for The 13th Night, and 8% did not vote. In this group, are the events Addams Family and 13th Night mutually exclusive? Well, yes, they only had one vote each, so people had to vote for one or the other, and these three percentages add up to 100%. So yes, they are mutually exclusive. The probability that someone voted for Addams Family or 13th Night is those who voted. So 0.92. Now, 200 people were surveyed about whether or not they liked recreational reading and academic reading. So here we have a two-way table. How many fell into each category, except instead of giving probabilities, we're giving the total numbers. So we're going to have to calculate the probabilities ourselves. So, are the events liked recreational reading and disliked recreational reading mutually exclusive? Well, if that's the case, right, can you have one or the other? We have 200 people, and they're in each category. But can you like recreational reading and dislike recreational reading at the same time? And yes, you are either in the first row or the second row. So those ones are mutually exclusive because you're not going to both like and dislike. So the probability that you liked or disliked recreational reading, well, that's probability of 1 because that's the entire population. You're either in one row or the other. So now, 5% of people wanted dyes, or 35% wanted dyes, including 5 who just want to dye, 30 want to dye and haircut, and so forth. Are dye and permanent mutually exclusive? Yes, there is nobody who wanted both a dye and a permanent. There's no overlap between those two circles. What's the probability that a randomly selected person for the sample requested a dye or a permanent? Well, there's 35% dye, 15% permanent. 35 plus 15 is 50%, or 0.50. And finally, employees at an office were surveyed about what type of hot beverages they drank that day. 50% drank coffee, 25% drank tea, 10% showed that they drank both. So no, these are not mutually exclusive because 10% of the people drank both. So 50% drank coffee, 10% or 25% drank tea, and 10% drank both. The probability of one or the other is 50 plus 25 minus 10 because that 10% is in both groups. So that's 65% or 0.65. This concludes the solutions for assignment 6.04, number 1.